Hey guys, welcome back. I am so excited. Okay, so I've been getting Boxycharm. Like, I had Ipsy for a while and then I didn't really like it so much. So I canceled Ipsy and I got Boxycharm, and I was obsessed with Boxy. I think that it's a great company. It's a great subscription box, but not that the last few boxes have been boring. Like, I just didn't have a way to, well, I did have a way, I just didn't pull out my camera to film. But I thought it would be kind of fun to see what I got. And so, like, the last few boxes, like I said, haven't been boring, but I just haven't gotten my camera out to film them. But my Boxy finally came in the mail today. Thank you. I've been waiting for it forever. This is April 2018, and it said it was supposed to be here on like the 15th, and it finally came. Today is, I don't even know what day it is, 17th, 18th, something, and it kept getting delayed, and I'm like, would you not? As you can see, I haven't opened it. I don't want to flash my address all over the internet, but I haven't opened it. Let's see. There we go. I haven't opened it, so I am going to open it with you, and I think that that's kind of what I want to start doing, is opening my Boxycharm with you guys. The only thing I miss about Ipsy is the bags. I saved the bags. Like, I think they were wonderful, but I kept getting the same repeat products, and I'm like, no. So, first things first is, oh, they changed it. Well, it's eye candy, and this talks about all the products that you get. It's $21 a month, and everything in here exceeds $21 by far. So let's see what we got. The first thing that I got a MAC Lippy. Dionysus, is that the name? I don't even know what that is. If I can even say, oh. It's like, I'm shaking. I'm so excited. This is really ridiculous. This is apparently the color. Oh, it is. Oh, it's nice. My hands are so dry. Yeah, it's really pretty. Actually, it would be kind of pretty with this eye look, wouldn't it? Okay. And let's see, they said that that is $21. So right there, the box is paid for. Oh, and I got brushes. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They're beautiful. Look at the detailing. That's amazing. I'm recording, husband. Great, he's gonna make an appearance into my Ipsy. Or my glam box thing. This thing. Oh, those are so cute. What are you doing? Oh, he's off on the side, so he doesn't get filmed, I guess. And then I got Dr. Brandt's. I love Dr. Brandt's. I have a few of their products. I have this, and then I have a couple other things from them. And I love this. This is like, oh, I'm going to be so up a creek when that is done. But this is a vacuum cleaner, pore purifying mask. And I need this because my pores they hate me at the moment. I have like a, okay. And then I got, now, okay, I have seen this. I have watched a few unboxings, and I don't think that this is gonna fit for me. It's brow mascara, or tinted brow gel, but it's in light, and my eyebrows are not light. But I mean, maybe it'll come in handy at some point. I don't know. This is what I've been waiting for. I got ColourPop's Element of Surprise. They said that they were doing 5 different kinds of, or 5 different palettes. And so I was excited to see which one I got. And I got the, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. Oh, snail. I really like that one. This is Element of Surprise, obviously. And the colors are on the back, and that one's called Feels. I really like it. It's given me all the feels. Oh, I love it. Okay, okay. Well, I know what I'm doing with my life tomorrow, and that's playing with this. So yeah, I can leave my subscription code down in the bottom if you guys would like to subscribe to this. I think it's worth it. I prefer it over Ipsy and all the other ones. So yeah, if you guys want to join, I will leave my code down in the bottom. And that is it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!